Hey guys, hope you're well. It's Monday again, which means it's meat-free Monday. So today we'll be making a tofu dish, but it's a completely different type of tofu that we're using today. I am using a soft tofu. Now, I've always been using like firm, extra firm tofu. Those are good for frying, but today we're gonna use this tofu for a steamed dish. Soft tofu are super delicate. When you're gonna use it, be really careful, otherwise it's just gonna crumble in the sink and you just lose everything. I've done that once, so not great. So for this tofu, it's perfect if you're gonna use it for steaming or even to make a soup. These are blitzed up cauliflower. So what I'm gonna do with the cauliflower first is to marinate or season the cauliflower. I am using some soy sauce. To that, I'm adding a bit of sesame oil. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok sauteed chili paste. Just give this a good mix. Next, let's do the carrots. So what I'm gonna do is dice them up. I'm gonna cut up some onion as well. I'm just using half an onion. Alright guys, now let's make the topping first. I'm adding in some oil. We're gonna throw in the onion. Then I'm gonna throw in the cauliflower. I usually just use a spoon to fry my stuff. It's only because there's one less thing to wash. Okay, now this is done. Let's turn off the heat. Just gonna put them back into a bowl. I can use this as a topping in a plain noodle or pasta dish. Now to the soft tofu. So what I'm going to do with the tofu here is I'm just going to add the topping on top. For the color, I'm going to add a bit of my diced carrots on top. Now I'm just going to put this into the steamer and steam it for 7 minutes, and I can't wait to taste how it's going to turn out. Alright, now this is done. Let's turn off the heat. Okay guys, look at our steamed soft tofu. Isn't it amazing? I'm gonna chop up some spring onions just to give it a bit more color. Time to try my soft tofu. Wow, look at how awesome it is. Wow, look at how jelly it is. Yum. It's so soft that it just melts in your mouth. Imagine that you're eating a savory pudding or something like that. The toppings that we have on top, it gives it a nice savory flavor and it complements really well with our soft tofu. So guys, if you're ever going to the supermarket and you manage to find soft tofu, remember this recipe, okay? And if you got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Right, I'm gonna put